Wildfire is a risk for people in New Mexico due to the rural nature of a lot of these communities, given response time to them. Also, the complex weather and the terrain features around here make predicting wildfire a very hard job to do. That is really why prescribed fire can be so important in terms of reducing fuel loads and building barriers so that even if a wildfire does occur, the severity of that fire doesn't carry into communities. QUIC-Fire takes fuels, weather, and terrain into account and builds a full 3D simulation. We explicitly model the fire on the surface and as it carries into the canopy. QUIC-Fire can be extremely useful for prescribed fire managers. It could be useful to people who are just getting into fire and looking at how ignition lines interact with each other. So recently I've begun work with a company out of Santa Fe called SciVista. We've been able to visualize QUIC-Fire simulation results in VR.
We currently have a partnership with Los Alamos National Laboratory to make custom readers and visualizers for their QUIC-Fire program. We make a program called FireVista, which ingests that data. It allows the user to visualize a terrain. They can see fire modeling propagation over the fuels, such as trees or grass, and then they're able to see how that fire propagates based on the fire start lines and other variables such as wind conditions.
VR allows people to get into a dangerous situation that they wouldn't be able to observe in real life, but also see the dynamics that are driving the behavior. This is important, one, because it's building up the safety around implementing that prescribed fire, but also in terms of building confidence in not only the practitioners and their strategies, but also building up the trust between the public and those practitioners.
We have much more opportunity with this QUIC-Fire model and our visualizers for them to come to an understanding as a team, to come to those decisions to say when we burn, how we burn, and then why we burn.